Hello and welcome. This is Professor Brendel's How to Blog on Our Class Website video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is write your blog. I've written a sample blog post here. It's just in a Google Doc. It's a good idea to write it in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document. And this is true whether you're going to blog on my site or whether you're going to blog in Blackboard or on your own site. Do it in a word processing document so that you can actually spell check and make sure that it is what you want. And then also make sure that you save that, preferably to a cloud-based thing, so that if your computer fries or messes up, you still have your work, because it's important that you have it. Sometimes things happen with websites or Blackboard, or your internet goes out right when you finish writing something. If you have it in a document, then you don't have to worry about losing it. And if there's any technical problem, you just go back and say, oh, Professor Brandel, here it is. I guess it didn't post, but I've got it. So that's really important. Have it posted, ready to go. And we're just going to select it all and copy it. So we'll use our right click here so you can see. Then we're going to go, once we have that, to our class website. So this is for my American government class. If you're in international relations, don't worry, your class looks almost exactly the same. You're going to go to the blog, and you'll see here at the top, without being logged into the CUNY Academic Commons, this is just a plain black bar up here. So you need to log in. If you've never used the CUNY Academic Commons, you'll need to go to the registration. There's another video that's linked on our syllabus and a lot of other places about how to go through this process. Once you've gone through it, go to log in, and it remembers my stuff because I asked it to. And here you'll see this back end. Just go back up to our site and go to the blog. And here you are as our blog, but you'll notice that the black ribbon on the top has all this new stuff in it. Yours will have a little less than mine does. I'm an administrator on the site. You're just an author. So you're going to press plus new post. So you want to make a new post. You click that there, and it brings you to this page. And now, instead of writing out your whole blog post, all you need to do is go to paste. And there's our sample blog post that we had written elsewhere in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document. Check through it, make sure everything looks how you want it to look. If you want to add a picture, you can do that. You just have to click here. You want to add another block. So if you wanted to add a picture, you could do that. You could upload or go from a library or from a link. Any of that, that's fine. You don't have to do that. So I'm actually going to take that out. Just delete it. There we go. And on the right hand side here, you'll see publish. You can take a preview and see if you like how it looks, if there's any problems. You're going to click publish, and it's going to ask you to double check. Are you sure you want this? You can add tags to it if you want, and this is going to be publicly available. So we just click publish again, and then we can click here and see our post. And there's the sample post, just copied and pasted there. And again, if you don't go just directly to the post, here it is at the top of the blog. So that was easy. You do that twice a week, every week, and you'll be doing great in my class. Thanks so much. Bye.